Creating new users is a two-step process. Step 1, create the user. Step 2, attach the Propertybase license. To create your users, click the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on Users on the left column, and again, Users in the bottom of the list, which will take you to your list of users. Click the New User button and fill out the basic pertinent information: first name, last name, and email address. You'll notice that the email address also becomes the username, and it creates a nickname, which is only used in Salesforce online communities. Next, select the appropriate user license type, either Salesforce or Salesforce Platform. The Salesforce license is for PB admins, the highest level of the access hierarchy. PB admins can make organizational changes for all users in the system. The Salesforce Platform license is for PB super users and PB agents. PB super users cannot make organizational-wide changes, and out of the box has access to all data in the system. PB agents are intended to be used for your producers, brokers, and agents. PB agents also have access to all the data in the system. However, if you would like to add certain security guidelines, you can make certain objects private, so that agents can only see contacts, listings, or transactions that they are the owner of. If you set up such security guidelines, PB admins and PB super users will supersede those guidelines, and they will only apply to the PB agents. Before you save the new user, scroll all the way to the bottom of the new user creation form and look for a subtle checkbox that reads Generate New Password and Notify User Immediately. If you leave that checkbox checked, it will send a notification by email to this user inviting them to the system. If you want to create the user but are not ready to invite them to the system, you may go ahead and uncheck that box. If you uncheck that box and later are ready to invite this user into the system, you can check the box next to their name from the user list and click Reset Passwords. This will generate the email notification inviting the user to accept the invite and set up their password, which you can also do for multiple users at the same time. After you've created the new user, you will need to take a second step in the process of attaching their Propertybase license. If you do not, that user will still be able to log in, but will quickly find that they don't have access to any Propertybase functionality. To attach the license, scroll down from that user's saved record until you see a section called Manage Packages, and click Assign Licenses. Click the checkbox next to Propertybase v3 and click the Add button. And that's it! You've now created a new Propertybase user and have attached their license so they can use the system.